Hello everyone, today we're diving into the features of the ALLZONE Rustproof Shower Caddy Corner, a versatile bathroom organizer designed to keep your shower essentials neatly arranged and within easy reach. This caddy boasts a rustproof stainless steel pole made from premium SUS 304 stainless rods, ensuring durability and longevity in any bathroom environment, including college dorms and toilets, for over 3 years. With 4 large adjustable shelves, each capable of holding 2 32-ounces pump bottles or 4 16-ounces bottles, you'll have ample space for all your bath supplies like shampoo, conditioner, soap, and more, while the self-draining system keeps everything clean and dry. Designed to fit most showers, this caddy accommodates heights from 39.2 to 113 inches without the hassle of cutting rods, although it's not suitable for drop or slope ceilings. Unlike flimsy alternatives, the ALLZONE Caddy features thicker, deeper shelves that prevent bottles from falling, and the plastic material makes cleaning a breeze compared to metal baskets. Assembly is straightforward, taking about 20 minutes with clearly labeled parts and individually sealed accessories to prevent scratches. ALLZONE stands by its commitment to quality with a 1-year satisfaction guarantee, ensuring you enjoy a clutter-free and organized shower experience. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.